received this over the toilet storage cabinet, and I want to tell you all about it. It is 69 by 33 by 9. Down here you have some rectangle type shelving, and in here is where you put your toilet paper. It's magnetized. You have 2 shelves here, and then we have a couple shelves here, which you could put towels. If you want to put like some extra toiletries for, you know, next time if you need it, you could definitely do that. It's a very smooth transition from open to close. The window here is, it's made so you can't see through, which I think is nice. It keeps your personal stuff kind of to itself. And that's like that on both. This was not too hard to put together. It took maybe an hour to put together, maybe a little longer, depending on what I was doing in between. It's sturdy. It looks really super nice. It's really inviting. It makes this bathroom look a little bit more organized, a little bit cleaner. So I made a video of putting this together. Let's go ahead and take a look at that, and I'll be right back. All right, here is what comes in the box. This as well, and some hardware. There are 2 manuals. One is for left mount and one is for right. So judging by how easy it was to put this together, and the quality of the wood, and how nice it looks, this is definitely something I would highly recommend.